you're going to want to see, is the power on? These things are being pumped every day by a motor that has to have electricity. All of them have some sort of a test button. You press the button and the inner workings are going to start up right away. You can see, hey, is this working? If it's not, then that's a red flag. You should inspect the solid area. There are some areas on these things that they should be managing daily. If you open it up and you see the solids is just packed full, that's a sign of neglect. If they have agreed to perform maintenance and they are failing to do so, it should be the same enforcement as if they have failed to have it pumped. You can also inspect to see, are the settings correct? Most of these systems are designed to take out all of the grease and just a little bit of water. So if, like in the center picture, it's 100% water or 100% grease, then they probably haven't run it enough, and they're gonna get grease buildup over time. If it's like the one on the right, where it's like no grease and water like this, they need to turn it down because they're burning out their motor. You should ask them to do a maintenance log. The control that you have here is more sporadic. You're relying on them to do the right thing daily, especially if your codes don't give you some enforcement oversight. If you're asking for maintenance logs and the maintenance log says, hey, this was emptied today, and it looks like it's not been emptied for a month, something is amiss and there needs to be some enforcement.